it, and we finally got Victory Valkyrie BV. As you can see, I already unboxed it, if you can see or not, because my friend Larice wasn't here. And this is the main characters. I Volt, and the base name is Valkyrie, Victory Valkyrie. As you can see, it comes with a black launcher and a white ripcord, and it's the Beyblade. It's Beyblade from Beyblade Burst, and it is a burst system Beyblade right here, if you can see when my friend's gonna zoom in. Okay, and yeah, I already unboxed it, and I got the instructions still in here. So if you want to see the instructions, right here, my friend's gonna zoom in to this, and then zoom out. It says how to launch your Beyblade, how to thingy. Well, I forgot how to put it together. Yeah, how to put it together, and how to put the stickers on there, everything. Yep. So that's pretty much all for the instruction. Let's get to the Beyblade itself. So this is Victory Valkyrie, and I will show you the individual parts. So this is Victory Valkyrie disc. It's a dual layer system. It's really nice. Just like, look at this layer, and the stickers look so professional, like they're not gonna get warped or anything. Yep. So if my friend can zoom in, and you can see the the guy that's on there, like the soldier, the knight on the horse. This is the disc, variable driver, and I already tested this Beyblade out, so the variable is a bit worn out. Yep. And this is the boost. The boost is like, if, like, you know, in the wing, the pre-gen one, the wings are all flat, and this one is like they just magnified, and they're kind of sharp as well. And if you look at this little details, it's a B on the sides. So yeah, now let's put it together and show you how it looks. So this is how it looks. My Victory Valkyrie BV. And to get it quickly over with, I'm gonna tell you that I ordered Yago Yggdrasil. I forgot how to pronounce the name of it, and it's a stamina type. It's a really good stamina type. The tip is really good, and it will come this Wednesday. So yeah, this is all for the review of Victory Valkyrie, and my friend is gonna take over and test launch. So this is the setup. He's gonna use the black launcher, and yeah, I'll just leave it to him. Okay guys, behind the camera.
What's up guys? So yeah, as Maxim said, I'm gonna test this out. Where's the Beyblade?
It's on the side.
Oh yeah, I know.
Yeah.
It's a very awesome Beyblade, and I recommend you get one of these. Yep.
And Spriggan.
Huh?
I'm Spriggan. I'm buying it, and that's gonna be the next review.
I put it on wrong. There we go. Ready? Come with us, guys. 3, 2, 1. Let it
rip. It's really aggressive.
Yep. As you can see, it's hitting the sides a lot.
Yeah, but it's lack of stamina because the tip is warped.
I think I should try again.
It's worn out. Yeah, and he's gonna do it a bit harder this time.
I think the harder I do it, the more it hits the sides.
Yeah, the more basically spin it gets.
Yeah, but that's good anyway. 3, 2, 1.
Let it rip. So a bit more
and
stamina.
guys, in Japanese, I think, is it got free?
Japanese,
three,
yeah,
two,
version.
one, go shoot, yeah.
Yes, 3, 2, 1, go shoot.
Go shoot.
I think write in the comments if you want us to say it.
If you want to see more, then write in the comments below
And subscribe to our channel.
Please, you've been asking me for ages. Come on.
If you know us.
We need you to get more subscribers for us.
Yep. Because we already got 3. Because we just started this
and give
channel.
us some shout outs as well. They're very good.
Yeah.
Shout outs.
If you give us shout outs, we'll give your channel a shout out.
Yep. Shout out for a shout out.
Yeah.
3. So yeah, guys, as you can see, the box is sick. Zoom in on that.
Yeah, it's a starter set, by the way.
So basically, guys, if it doesn't say Takara Tomy, that means it's fake. So if it doesn't say that, then don't get it.
Just don't
but
get
if
it.
it says it, then get it. It'll be the real one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So be the original version.
3,
2, 1.
Wait, hold on. Put it on. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. It's aggressive, man. It's losing spin.
Yep, it's losing spin and it's gonna stop.
Because it's worn out a lot. Maxims use it a lot.
Yeah, like 24/7.
Yeah. Look, zoom in on that. It's really worn out, man. Anyway, yeah, guys.
Subscribe if you want to see more unboxings and challenges. Yeah, guys, so
subscribe and peace.
And comment below an extra tip. So see you later and peace.